Does your toddler fall sick often? Try this oatmeal recipe. Half medium-sized tomato has 8 mg of vitamin C, which is a proven fuel to your body's immune system. Black pepper has expectorant properties that help reduce symptoms associated with cough and cold. Whereas ginger and turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. It is important to make it less spicy. Oatmeal is a great choice when you're sick because it's bland, easy to eat, and rich in vitamins and minerals. Parsley gives fresh aroma and herby look. Oatmeal contains beta-glucan, which stimulates the immune system and makes it one of the best cold remedies. Lemon is very good at breaking down mucus, loosening it up so that we can expel it more easily. Have a healthy meal.